Hello, good people. Welcome to Aunt's Kitchen. Today we want to make plantain, and this is a banana. It's called plantain. If you go to the shops, you can see in some languages it can be called macho. And this plantain is ripe. But when I bought it from the shops, it was green. So it has just ripened. And I have just learned a way of making plantain. And plantain is just it's carb rich food. And it's a good source of fiber. And I'm going to show you how to cut plantain. You see these edges on the side here? You can be able to see them, and you just cut along these edges like this, and then it will make it easier for you to be able to peel your plantain. As you can see, the peel comes out very easily and very easily. So you just remove your peel like this, and this is going to be the peeled plantain. And then this is my way of making my plantain. So I want to grate my plantain, and I want to do a different way. There are different ways of doing a plantain I have learned, and I have cooked actually two different ways. So one way is you grate your plantain like the way I am grating it here, and the other way is you can cut your plantain into small pieces, like round pieces, and then you deep fry them. The other way, you can still blend your plantain and make something that in Kenya we can call it a mukimo. And I know we also have something we call ugali in Kenya, which is basically maize flour, but this is different. I'm talking about those guys who are watching their diet. You want to eat something that is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and this is plantain. And this plantain contains antioxidants that fight free radicals. And these plantains, they also have, it's also a good source of vitamin C. And it supports your immune system, and it also has vitamin B6. So you can tell if you want to eat a healthy diet, even though it is rich in starch, this is going to be your meal. So you take your grated plantain and put it in a bowl like this. And then how I do it, I want to beat 2 eggs and just pour like that. And after that, you want, because my plantain is actually ripe, so I am going to use a paper towel to just dry my hands. And then you want to beat your egg plus your plantain together. And then if you want, you can apply some salt, because the plantain has, it's sweet. So you want to put half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of minced garlic. And you just want to whisk them together like this. So it's going to mix very well, and you want to mix it so that it can come up together. All the ingredients can come up together. So guys, so that you can incorporate your ingredients very well. So this is, you can see how it looks like, and I just want to fry this mixture. And you can tell this one has got, even if it is rich in starch, it also has proteins, and proteins is because of the 2 eggs that I have added here. So actually, this is a complete meal that you can have, for maybe a brunch or even a breakfast, just eating healthy. eat healthy, you know. So I am very excited to have known another way of making a rich diet that is rich even in potassium, that is it also reduces, it may reduce cardiovascular risk and improve mood, and it has potassium, which helps to maintain the cell and body fluids that control your heart rate and blood pressure. By the way, this one is good for those people who have got blood pressure issues. So you know, yeah, so it's good for your heart. It's good if you are suffering from a disease. It has free radicals. So guys, this is the best meal you want to prepare. So after this, you will come with me, and I am going to take you to the, you know, to the burner where I have my pan there. And come with me, guys, come with me, nearing the kitchen, and see how our meal is going to cook. So I am going to place my, already the pan is hot, so I'm just going to pour my mixture into this pan. And I had put it on low, so I want it to be on medium. So, and then I would want to flatten my, I'd want to flatten it like this, so that we have an even mixture, So this is basically going to be a good breakfast, and it can serve as a brunch. So once you eat this, you will not feel hungry. You will have enough, you know, to take you all the way until dinner time. So this is what I am making for my brunch today. And as I have told you, you can cut your plantain into round pieces, and you can deep fry them. You can also do like what we call, in Nigeria they call it fufu, but in Kenya we call it ugari. But the way we cook it is different. So in my next video, I am going to show you how we can do our ugali, you know, stroke plantain, because this is for those people who don't want to add more fat into their diet. This is for the people who are doing some dieting of a kind, and anybody can do it. If you want to eat healthy, you can do it. The choice is yours. I am just teaching you on how to do it, and if you like it, my aim for this video is for you to try it at home, and you can, I know your kids will be happy, your husband will be happy, you are going to be happy as well. So when you learn a new recipe, you want to try it, and you want the family with you to also try it. And if you really like it, I am beseeching you to subscribe and share and like. Don't forget the like button. You can comment, you can give me more insights. We can give each other insights. This journey is for all of us, guys. So now I want to give it some time so that I can be able to flip over to the other side. So you can see it is starting to form, and because it has some eggs, it's definitely going to form very well. So the amount of heat must be reduced or increased according to how you love it, how you love the color, the texture of it, how it looks like. So this is the thing. So I realize one side looks like it's the color is different from the other one. So, and I want it to cook both sides very well. So actually I can turn this other side slowly so that it can cook it can have an even color. Yeah, I don't want it to burn, so let's give it some time. I think my burner is okay, but this burner, one side of my burner looks like, let me align. Yeah. My burner was not aligned, so I have just aligned my burner. So in the meantime, as we wait, I am going to have it with my tea that I have already made. So it's going to be my breakfast come lunch today. And you know, I don't have to eat all of it. So if I am cooking for myself, I can eat this one for like 3 days or something like that. So this plantain was a little bit ripe. So if you do the one that is green, of course, even if you try to beat it, it is not going to disintegrate. So this one has already disintegrated because it was ripe. The one I did another one, and it was very easy to turn because it had not, when I bet it, it had not disintegrated. Now, let me see if I can change the screw. Okay. So we want to use this one. I hope it doesn't break. Oh my God, I think I can just break it like this so that it will be easier for me to turn. It will be easier for me to turn. Okay. Eventually, I was going to divide it, so I can still divide it here. So yeah, you see? So you turn it like that. You turn this other piece like that. You know, it is your kitchen. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want with the meal that you are preparing for yourself. So you can see. So let's wait for the other parts to cook. Yeah, so this is how it's going to turn out to be. It looks good, right? Yeah, it looks good. So actually I forgot to cover it. I was supposed to cover it. I will just cover, and this is how we do things in Africa. We do it our own way, you know, the way we like it, the way we find, you know, it's the best way to do it. So maybe you will say I am not a professional, but this is how I am able to do it. So thank you guys for watching me. I love you. I did not intend this video to take me a long time, but I have taught you to cook something that is called plantain. In Kenya, the years that I lived in Kenya, either because of lack of, you know, people, I mean like people who are selling, they didn't know much about plantain. So I never found plantain in Kenya. But when I traveled to Dar es Salaam, I had gone to visit my cousin, and my cousin made for us something we called, we called them bananas because we didn't know what they are called. But when I tasted this plantain, I realized what my cousin prepared for us in Dar es Salaam it is exactly the same. To us, it looked like ripe bananas, but it's called plantain. And I think I have educated you. And down below my YouTube, as you watch this video, you will also realize there is a link for Amazon. There is a book I have written, and I would love you to go to Amazon and buy the book. Buy the book. It is free on Kindle version, and if you want a hard copy, it's going to cost you $8 or 800 Kenya shillings. So that is about education, education in school. And yeah, so this education is about food. So I do different kinds of education. So long as we are all learning, we are all adding more knowledge into our lives. You can add knowledge on anything under the sun. So you are welcome to buy that book. It's going to help you. It's going to help your teenagers. It's going to help mothers. It's going to help fathers, on how they can help their children to perform in school, what to avoid and what to do. So I just want you to go there and buy that book, and you will have promoted me. So thank you so much, guys. We are learning these things and we are improving every day. And that's why I tell people, do not give up on whatever you are doing, because God has given you an idea. God is going to bring meat. So when you start that idea, things will start happening. You will find God providing ways for you, connecting you with the people, even bringing people who have more knowledge than you so that you can learn from them. So let's not take anything for granted. Let's also promote each other. Let's also encourage one another. Let's see what we can learn from one another. So guys, my plantain is ready. So what I am going to do is just to pull off my head, my banner, and then I'm going to serve. Yeah, this is how my plantain is heading to be like. So now we want to see whether the inside part has been cooked well. So I want to cut a piece and see. So yeah, so maybe I will eat this. Yeah, you can see the parts have really cooked very well. And the next stage is to taste and see if we incorporated the ingredients. We incorporated the ingredients very well. So I am tasting this one. Every day it's a learning day. I had cooked the same plantain, but I had not added the minced garlic. The taste was different. Today I added minced garlic and the taste is excellent. Excellent. Kabisa, I'm sorry, I am spoiling my video. Okay, let me stop there. God bless you. God keep you. May his face shine upon you all the days of your life. Keep going. Keep doing what you are doing. Do not give up and trust in the Lord. Shalom.